Hello student. Now in this lecture we have to see number of constituents present or number of constituent units in the unit cell. Means if we have a simple cube, you know simple cube means all 12 sides are equal length and 8 atoms are present at the 8 corners of the cube. This is a simple cubic crystal. Also, if we have a cube and 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the cube and one more additional atom is present at the center, then it will be body centered cubic crystal. Okay. Now third one, if 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the cube and 6 more atoms are present at the 6 faces of or center of 6 faces. Okay. Now this is face centered cubic crystal. Now you have to find out the lattice sides. What we have to find out? Lattice sides means how many constituents, atoms or molecules are present in the unit crystal. That's why first of all see which part of a crystal or atom or ion is present in a given crystal. Now suppose we have a simple cube. No doubt the 8 atoms are present at the 8 corners, but which part is of that atom or ion is there? Now let me consider this is spherical in a shape. Okay, this atom or ion may be present at the center here. Okay, since it is spherical, it is only present at the center in a 3-dimensional space. Okay, now here again at the center of face this sphere is not present. We have to cut it from center. Okay, if we cut it from center in this way, see from center, this is half portion, this is complete one atom, this is half portion, and this atom is present at the center. Okay, now you know this is a whole one atom, it is at center, this is half portion, here half portion at the 6 faces is there. Now if we cut this half portion again from its center in this way, see carefully, you will get this one. Okay, where this part we may apply, here 2 faces are there, here it may be applied to center of edges. Okay, here suppose this is edge, at this edge we may apply this part and this part in this way, but at the corner again we have to cut it from center, means 3 faces are there in this way. Now see 3 faces, this is 1, 2, 3 and it is fixed at the corner, means you know this is complete. If we cut it from half, then it will be half. If we cut it from, means it will be half portion. Then it will be cut from its half, it gives in this way. It is 1/4 portion. Again it is cut here, then you will get in this way. It has 3 faces. Okay. Now it is half, it is 1/4. Okay, now here it is 1/6 and then 1/8. Okay, it is a half portion Okay, if here cut it from it, then it will be give 1/4, then again in cut it gives 1/6, and it will be 1/8 portion. Okay, now in this way, at the corner 1/8 portion, 3 faces are there. If 2 faces are there, then it will be 1/4. Okay, then when it cut, it gives 1/8. Okay, then 1/8 portion is at the corner. In this way, you know the which portion is present at the particular position. Now in simple cube, calculate this lattice sides, that is Z. Now Z equals to 8 atoms at 8 corners of cube. No doubt 8 atoms are there, but which portion? At the for SCC it will be 1/8, that is equals to 1. Means Z equals to 1 for simple cubic crystal. Getting it? Now calculate Z for BCC. How it can be find out? See, for BCC, Z equals to 8 atoms at 8 corners plus 1 atom at center. See, 1/8 into 8 plus atom 1, that's why 1 plus 1, that's why Z equals to 2. Okay, now calculate the number of atoms or ions present in this face centered cubic crystal or lattice sides, that is Z in face centered cubic crystal, FCC. Now what is the value of Z? 8 atoms at 8 corners plus 6 atoms at 6 faces, center of 6 faces of a cube. Now you know 8 atoms at 8 corners, 1/8 portion, plus 6 atoms at 6 center of faces, half, that it will be 8 1 the 8, 1 plus 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 1 plus 3, that is equals to 4, and it is nothing but Z for face centered cubic crystal. Means from these all diagram it is clear that for SCC total number of atoms are 1. Why? Because 8 atoms at the 8 corners, and which portion is there? Here at the corner 1/8 portion, and 1/8 portion has how many faces? 3 faces. See, 1 2 3, and it will be fixed at a center. Okay, because it has how many faces? 3 faces are there at the corner. Okay, getting it? Now the half portion is fixed at the center of face, and at the center complete atom is there. If you know SCC, FCC and BCC, then you are able to find out. Means tell me how many atoms are present in the unit cell of simple cubic crystal? It is 1, 1/8 into 8. Now in BCC how many? It will be Z equals to 2. Why? 1/8 into 8 plus center वाला 1 BCC में 1/8 into 8, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Now for face centered cubic crystal, how many lattice sides are there? What is the value of Z? It will be 4. Why? Because 1/8 into 8 plus 6 into half. Okay, 6 into half means 3. 1/8 into 8 means 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 sides are there, lattice sides are there. Okay, means from this we have taken example of potato as 1 atom, spherical potato. When it cuts, it gives half is fitted at the center of face, then again it cut, it gives 1/4, okay, then it is fitted at the edge center, but no need to explain it, then again cut it, okay, then it gives 1/8 portion, 1/8 portion is fixed at the corner. From this Z equals to 1 for SCC, Z equals to 2 for BCC, and Z equals to 4 for FCC. Now here we have seen completely how the number of atoms and ions in the given unit cell is calculated. If that unit cell is cubic type, don't forget, only cube, all sides are equal. That's why we are saying in cubic crystal the lattice sides are, in SCC it is 1, BCC it will be 2, and for FCC it will be 4. Now this is the end of this number of constituent units in given unit cell or given cubic crystal. Thank you very much.